What's going on, Trap Pack family, man? We is back, and that's my life. Okay, stop. We back. As I can tell by the thumbnail title, we will be in the shed working on this engine. Parts have came in, so everything is ready to go. Ain't that right? Okay. You seen it from her. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at baby. Where's my ladybug at? My ladybug. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get over here to the shed. We're gonna see what else we do today. I was gonna go work on the customer's car today, but it is shady outside. And sometimes you know what that means. It's raining, stuff like that. Anyway, I'm just talking nonsense, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and get in this video. All right, y'all, we done made it to the yard. Milo, Titus, Abel, Kane. Y'all know how it is. Mutts. Anyway, yeah, buddy, got the bed, boy. So boom, we're gonna go ahead and get the parts. We're gonna get the parts out of the car. Y'all know. Yes, sir. D&J. And we're gonna unbox this stuff in here in the shed. So y'all stay tuned. Damn, I can't do everything at once. All right, y'all, so boom, we are working in the garage. I got y'all set up on a little tripod. My phone got like a few percent. Let me see. I think y'all should be able to see me. We're gonna move y'all back like that. So boom, we do got y'all in the garage. So today we got the 5.7 Hemi. Y'all already know. For everybody that's been around here for a minute, y'all know what's going on. Let me see. Can I put y'all up somewhere? Can y'all hear me? There we go. All right, so what we were working on today is cleaning the piston heads off. We also got our little engine rebuild kit. So all we're doing is cleaning stuff up. We're gonna go ahead and put the oil pan on, make sure that's sealed up. We're gonna clean it out, of course. And then also clean off the piston heads, and we'll probably go ahead and put the heads back on. Honestly, we might just go ahead and rebuild the engine like right now. So I might put y'all on a time lapse and go from there. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and bust this box open and see what we got, and then we can go ahead and get started. Alright, we're gonna bust this box open. Alright, so let's see what we got. Wow. Very sophisticated, you know? Alright, so we got the gaskets right here. Got the D&J gasket kit. We might go ahead and change the valve. Nah, I think the valve seats or seals should be good. But we're gonna go ahead and change like everything else, of course. And I think the gaskets are in between the cardboard. Okay, so this is the oil pan gasket. And I think we got the rear main seal right here. We might as well go ahead and change that too. So that's what we got in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on a time lapse, and I'm gonna catch y'all once we get situated.
I light a spliff to set the mood, baby. You know they kicked me out of school, baby. I'm the one, not the two, baby. I light a spliff to set the mood, baby. You know they kicked me out of school, baby. Told my mama that he been acting a fool lately. Now it's Bottega taking trunks by the pool, baby. You ain't really made it till your crew made it. Cop a new Mercedes, bulletproof, baby. A rumor is a rumor, where the proof, baby. Crack open the roof, let's watch the moon, baby. Crack open the roof, let's watch the moon, baby. When crack was all she wanted, come on through, baby. She just got a check, she copping too, baby. I used to feel bad cause she got 2 babies. 300 to spend, she blowing 280. Brand new money, bring you new name. Couple homies looked out, I owe a few favors. I ain't too famous, I'm the one, not the 2, baby. I light a split to set the mood, baby. You know they kicked me out of school, baby. Told my mama that boy been acting a fool lately. Now it's both taking trunks in the pool, baby. You ain't really made it till your crew made it. Cop a new Mercedes, bulletproof, baby. A rumor is a rumor, where the proof, baby. Crack open the roof, let's watch the moon, baby. Crack open the roof, let's watch the moon, baby.
Alright, y'all, so this phone just died and we need to charge it. And it fell in the mud, but that's besides the point. We changed the rear main seal, oil pan gasket, pickup tube gasket, and we went ahead and put the what's this called? We're gonna just call this the cover, front cover gasket. We went ahead and changed that out, changed the front seal, so that's in there. We went ahead and touched up our edges with the air gun or the air, whatever you want to call it, but we cleaned everything up with some degreaser. But as y'all can tell, we do got little patches there, so I'm definitely gonna throw some gasket maker on it. Let me see what else. And then we got the heads over here. Let me take y'all. We just cleaned the oil pan out. But we're cleaning the heads off, or cleaning them up, as I can tell, for a smooth surface. Of course, we will dust it out, so we won't have metal shavings in there. But as far as this, we took care of this. Everything good on there. Everything good on here. We just gotta clean the exhaust ports. Did I do this side? I didn't do this side yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. Touch that up. I didn't do this exhaust, but yeah, y'all get the picture. We're just gonna do the heads. I might go ahead, I'm gonna blow everything I can and then rinse it back off and then keep it dry. That way I know it's not metal shavings anywhere. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole engine back together in another video. But before we end this off, I am gonna throw this bad boy on. That way I can flip the engine over. And then in the next video, we will go ahead and put the heads on. All right, y'all, so we're back. This is how far we got. We got the front cover on with the water pump.